Hello, hello! Today in the city, something strange happened. A pregnant man is screaming, and two monsters come to help him. Let's get started. First, we've got ourselves a funny little skeleton. It has a chubby round body and four tiny legs that look like it's ready to do a wobbly dance. Now let's grab some pink clay and gently smush it all over its head, like giving it a fabulous new hairstyle or maybe a cute little helmet. Looking good already. Next up, let's shape its head to look just like a pig's. Yep, a round, snouty, absolutely adorable pig head. We mold a little snout right in the middle, add two tiny nostrils, and don't forget those chubby cheeks. Oh, and of course, two floppy pig ears on top. Now it's starting to look like the cutest little clay pig monster you've ever seen. Now let's move on to that perfectly round body of its. It's like a little ball just waiting for a makeover. We grab some black clay and cover the entire body, giving it a sleek, mysterious look. Then, using our trusty sculpting tools, we start carving in some cool details to make its body look just like a bomb. Yes, a full-on cartoon-style bomb. All it needs now is a fuse sticking out. And boom! We've got ourselves a dangerously adorable creature. And finally, let's not forget those four tiny legs. We grab our pink clay once again, because fashion consistency matters, and carefully sculpt each little leg like it's getting a spa treatment. Smooth, squishy, and oh so cute. Now our chubby bomb-bodied pig-headed creature is standing proudly on its four fabulous pink feet. Ta-da! A masterpiece of weird and wonderful clay creation. Now let's meet our next character. This time, we've got a skeleton with a body shaped just like a big old rectangle, kind of like a walking box. It's got two little legs and a surprisingly long neck, like it's always peeking over fences. We start with the body, grab some white clay and cover the whole rectangular torso, nice and smooth. Then comes the fun part. shaping it to look just like a refrigerator. Yep, a fridge with legs. Maybe it's storing snacks in there, who knows? Next up, let's take care of those tiny legs. We wrap them up in a lovely layer of brown clay, like they're wearing cozy little boots. Then we move on to that long neck and head. And yes, we stick with the same rich brown clay. As for the head, surprise! We're giving our fridge-bodied friend the head of a camel. That's right, a full-on camel head, complete with a long snout, sleepy eyes, and that iconic, slightly grumpy expression. It's like a desert explorer got stuck in a kitchen appliance. Weirdly wonderful. One point. But wait, that long camel neck is missing something. Of course, it needs a fabulous mane. So, we grab some clay, maybe a slightly darker brown for extra style points, and start adding a scruffy, fluffy line of hair running down the back of its neck. It's like giving it a mini mohawk, wild, majestic, and just the right amount of dramatic flair. Now our fridge-bodied, camel-headed creature is rocking a runway-ready mane. And don't think we forgot about the feet. Under those tiny little legs, we slip on a pair of old light brown shoes, the kind that look like they've been through a lot of adventures, or maybe just forgotten at the back of a closet. They're a bit worn out, a bit dusty, but they give our camel fridge the perfect finishing touch, fashionably outdated, yet full of character. And now, let's meet our final character. A tall, towering figure with a baby bump. That's right, this one's expecting. We grab some brown clay and give them the full makeover treatment, covering everything from head to toe. It's like they've been dipped in a giant chocolate fountain, smooth, rich, and stylishly uniform. This character stands proudly, radiating confidence and just a hint of "don't mess with me, I'm nesting" energy. Now let's bring some personality to that face. And not just any face, but a cheerful, glowing one. We start sculpting two big, friendly eyes that sparkle with joy. Add a wide, beaming smile that stretches from cheek to cheek. And don't forget those chubby cheeks that make the whole face look like it's about to burst into laughter. Maybe we even toss in a cute little dimple or two, just for extra charm. This is the kind of face that says, "Hey there! Life's good, and the baby's kicking."